And we wanted the people from Haiti to stand up for themselves.
I believe, and we believe, that the most impactful kickstart for a child is to see his or her mother get their life together.
So the idea of Campe is to find the people who need it the most, work with the community, and provide those people with the basic building blocks so that they can then, when Campe leaves in a year, they retain those gains and they're able to do it themselves.
Turn the speakers up till they break.